The most hot topic of the last decade, IT, information technology. What are some ways by which you can identify success in IT through a horoscope? Well, you have to understand that success in general in profession has nothing to do with one particular area. Okay, so uh, which means it doesn't mean that if you just change your profession tomorrow magically you will have success. Okay, it doesn't mean that. So this is a very big misconception. Of course we can find out ways in which we can use our potential better, okay, where we can get better returns, but primarily, as I have said so many times, our professional life is dependent on the second house, the sixth house, the 10th house and the 11th house, primarily the 10th and the 11th. But now, after you see these factors, and the Lagna Lord is also very important, Sun is important, Mercury is important, then we check these combinations. First, we check the third house. Why? Because third house is the prime house of communication, and when you are an IT engineer, what are you doing basically? You are refining ways of communication, right? In essence, that is what you are doing. So if the third house has any connection with the 10th house or the 11th house, or if the lord the Lagna lord has any link with the third house, or Sun or Mercury has any link with the third house, then also you can have a career in IT, provided the previous factors are there in the horoscope. Okay, also Rahu is very important because Rahu shows new age technology, not new age actually, it shows all these things which you can't see basically, right? Therefore Rahu is very important. You check where Rahu is. If he's in the earth houses, it's very good. And also, most importantly, we need to check Venus. Why? Because Venus shows new age technology depending on the time, place, circumstances. So um, currently, what are the new age technologies? Like, for example, in the last 10 years, machine learning has been one, data science, data intelligence, and cloud computing is one. So if you are running Venus Dasha and all these factors are supported, then you will make a career in any technology which is like booming, which is like new age technology. And it's not just going to be there for 1 or 2 years, which is going to be there for at least 5, 10, 20, 30, or maybe even more, right? Even years. So once you check Venus and the other factors, then of course you also can check where your Jupiter is, because Jupiter will give you the right vision. Okay, so then you will be able to pick up new things very fast, because in IT you always need to upgrade yourself, right? So that's how you can get an idea of success in IT. Thank you.